Hi, it's Steve from Can I Make Money Online? Well, I tell you what, this is my 8th post and reality is beginning to set in. So, reality sets in, or rather, reality has set in. And my initial impetus and fervour begins to flow away, and you can see here from the picture that some of the impetus and that initial fervour starts to ebb away, and as I've put here, reality sets in. And I suppose 'twas ever thus. And truth to tell, I found it difficult to get back to this blog, and time seeps past. But perhaps you know the story. You're keen, it's fresh, it's new, and it's fun. And I've been burying my chest Putin style to the rest of the world. And now, what's happened? Reality set in. I suppose this is where the real work starts. Keeping stuff going, keeping the show on the road. Look, one or two of the little projects have proved to be a little bit more problematical than I thought. This YouTube video here made it sound easy, and that podcast episode there made it seem like a breeze. And this podcast or blog post that I made it sound absolutely plain sailing. But it ain't. And a simple 10-minute task becomes much more involved than at first sight. And prima facie, as the Romans would have it, things should be straightforward. But of course they're not. And here's my image from this week. Look, maintain the rhythm, maintain the rhythm. Keep it going, keep it going. This is what I'm telling myself. Keep it going, maintain that rhythm. And hopefully I've caught that a little bit with the graphic, which I'll be putting up on Pinterest to see if I can get some interest and rhythm. And there it is, maintaining the rhythm, maintaining momentum. And that's where I'm at. And you know what? I feel better for that. Even though this post will not be much seen or read, I feel better for that, and reality sets in. So that's Steve with a little rant, rant would be nice, but rant on Can I Make Money Online? I can, and I will. See you in the next video.